Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, Public Services Librarian here in the library at Union University. Today, I'll give you a quick look into the library services available to you as graduate students.
One of the many crucial services for students enrolled in classes through Union University is the library. The library has many resources and services available for students to use for their research assignments. To begin using these resources, start at the library's website at uu.edu/library. The library's hours are posted on the website so that you'll know when it'll be open. There is a library news section that lets you know of new information and resources in the library. If you want to check out general information about the library, look at the About section at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a staff directory with the friendly faces and contact information of our library team, and maps and directions to our library, both on the Germantown and Jackson campuses. A chat feature is available for you to get quick responses to simple questions. Type in your question in the chat bar, hit enter, and you should receive an answer from a library team member shortly. Near the chat feature, there are several social media icons on which to find information and additional help from the library. The library has Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts, as well as a blog and a YouTube channel featuring several tutorials on how to use the different resources in the library. If you are on the Jackson campus or will be for a period of time and need to meet with the group, you can reserve a study room. Simply click on the Book a Study Room button on the library's homepage and fill out the required information. You'll need to confirm the reservation through your Union email. The catalog is where you can find and access any books. It is updated regularly, and you can easily access materials from off-campus. You can search the catalog by using the search bar on the library's homepage. Type in your search word or phrase and hit search. A list of results will be shown on the next page with the number of results retrieved at the top. You can limit your results by choosing one or multiple limiters on the left-hand side of the page. If you want to see just ebooks, click on the box under Format next to eBook. Only ebooks or whatever format you choose will be shown to you. Click on the title of a resource to see more about that particular resource. Use the View Description section to locate a summary and a table of contents area for each book. These areas will give you an additional information to help you decide if you want to look at that resource. If it is an ebook, click on the View eBook button to access it. If you are off campus and try to access an ebook, you will have to log in with your Union credentials. This includes your full Union email address and Union password. Once you log in, you will be taken to your ebook. Click on PDF Full Text to view it. Another helpful resource for you to use is a research guide. These guides are designed by librarians and serve as a starting point for your research. They contain databases, relevant websites, citation helps, and other helpful resources. To get to a research guide, click on the Research Guides link from the library's homepage. Scroll down to the discipline you need and click on it. You'll need to click on it again from the drop-down box. and now you're on the Research Guide. Under the Articles tab, you'll see a list of databases in which to search for articles. The databases listed are those that are most relevant to your discipline. Click on a database to start searching. If you are off campus, you'll need to use your union credentials to log in and access the database. You can get to the library's catalog through the research guides as well. Click on the Books tab and enter your search terms in the search bar. There are other resources available under the different tabs of the research guide. Be sure to check out what each page has available. In order to access resources that the library doesn't have, you'll need to use the Interlibrary Loan service, which is a free service offered to all union faculty, staff, and students. It allows you to borrow materials not found in Union's library from other libraries. To fill out a request for an interlibrary loan, click on the Interlibrary Loan Request Form link on the library's website. Choose either books or articles from the appropriate category. Then fill in the required fields for your contact information and about the item you need. You will receive an email when your item is available. Using the Interlibrary Loan service is helpful, but you will need to allow yourself extra time during your research process in order to receive the materials in a timely manner. For the occasions that you need research help, check out the Research Coach service from the library. This service is available if you are having trouble framing your research question, finding or accessing resources, evaluating resources, and even citing your resources. You can make an appointment with a research coach to get help with your research questions, either face-to-face or over the phone. On the library's homepage, click the link that says Research Coach. Then, click the box that says Make an appointment with a research coach. Choose your research coach. Then, pick the day and time that you want to meet. Fill out the information and be sure to explain the problem that you are having in the appropriate field. When you submit your form, you will get an email indicating that you have scheduled an appointment with a research coach. If the appointment is over the phone, the librarian will call you at the appointed time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you want more information regarding one of the library's resources or services, contact one of the librarians.